The secret is keeping the patties thick and simple. Now we're adding crispy bacon and smoky caramelized onions. That cheese melt is everything. And this smoky sauce brings everything together. Now look at this. That's how you make a wood fire burger.